Today we're talking high-temp cheese. Hey everybody, Chef Jed here. Today I want to talk a little bit about high-temp cheese. High-temp cheese is a really useful ingredient when making sausage or even burger patties because of its ability to withstand higher temperatures for longer durations. While normal cheeses start melting anywhere between 120 degrees and 180 degrees, high-temp cheese can withstand temperatures up to 400 degrees before melting. When making normal cheese, milk is heated and then cooled down before the curdling process begins. This creates a nice soft cheese that is very pliable and melts easily. The process for high-temperature cheese brings that milk temperature up a lot higher, and the curdling process will begin before it is cooled down, and this will create a more dense and crumbly cheese that works great for higher temperatures. Now, like I said, we really like using high-temperature cheese for our sausage making. This can be both fresh and smoked sausages such as snack sticks, summer sausage, but you can also fold it into a fresh meat block when making your burger patties. At PS Seasoning, we offer a variety of flavor profiles when it comes to high-temp cheese, 3 of which I have here with me today. We have mozzarella, cheddar, and pepper jack. We also offer blue, Swiss, and even habanero flavored cheeses. Now, depending on what size batch or recipe you're making, we also offer a variety of batch sizes. Once your seasoning is mixed in and your protein extraction has started, fold in your high-temp cheeses just until they're mixed. Then, make your sausage or form your patties like you would normally. And once those are grilled up, I guarantee you're gonna have a wonderfully flavorful, creamy, and moist product. As far as how much to use, we like to go for about a 10% inclusion rate, or 1 pound of cheese to a 10-pound meat block. Now, I've made a number of sausages where I've used less, but I've made a lot more where I've used upwards of 15% for a really creamy and flavorful product. As far as which flavor to use, that's up to you. When you're building and designing your recipes, use whichever flavor makes most sense for you. To find out more about all of the high-temp cheese products we sell here at PS Seasoning, head to psseasoning.com for more information.